Inclusion. It has 20 feet 4 gauge red power wire, 4 feet 4 gauge black ground wire, 20 feet 16 gauge blue remote turn on, 20 feet 12 gauge stereo speaker wire, 20 feet stereo RCA audio cable, 6 feet black split loom cable conduit, allows amplifier speakers connection. Different terminal. Legacy car audio wiring kit has 2 ring terminals, 8G, 2 spade terminals, 8G, 5 spade terminals, 14 to 16G, 3 butt connectors, 20 cable ties, 1 black grommet. It is high resistance in moisture and has all you need to complete the job. Water resistant inline fuse holder. The cable and wire are marine grade that can be trusted, leaving no spark and bad ground wiring. Also, packed up with a GU Type 60A gold-plated fuse. Suitable for car, boat, and mobile vehicle audio applications. Power rating. With a power rating of 1600 watt, this kit is an ideal for high power protection and sure to complete your amplified vehicle-powered sound system. It gets current from your battery to your amplifier that increases audio purity. Worry-free shopping. With the Legacy Lamp 4, we are confident of the quality of our product, therefore, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Top reviews from the United States. It works. I bought this kit back in 2011 for $23 and I was happy with the price. Used it to install a sub in my brother's car and it worked well for about 5 years until he sold it in 2017. Wire feels a little cheap, but it worked well, and what do you expect for $11?